Fabricate has a lot of built-in generators, but it doesn't cover every domain. So if you want to create data for a domain and you don't see a matching generator in Fabricate, you can use the AI generator to do that. To demonstrate this, let's create a products table. Let's say that we want our products table to have ID, name, and description. First, let's add the ID column using an auto-incrementing number. Then let's add the name and description columns using the AI generator. The way the AI generator works is that you give it a prompt for each column, and then it'll generate correlated values for those columns. So for name, let's say 20 clothing product names. And let's give it a group key of product. Then let's add our description field. And let's say a short description of the product. Now it's using AI to generate correlated values for those two columns. So if you look at the first value here, you can see silk scarf, a luxurious silk scarf that adds a touch of elegance. Since we have our table set to generate exactly 100 rows, we're going to get some repeats here in the output. So to get rid of those, let's select unique values of product, and then we'll have one row per generated product.